everyone, today we're going to look at Barbie the Nutcracker doll. She has blonde, pink, and purple hair. She comes with a pink tiara and a white necklace and a pink wand. She has a pink and purple and white dress on with puff sleeves, and the bottom of her dress is glittery. The print does go all the way around the dress, and the dress velcros in the back. She comes with a pink tiara with 3 butterflies on it. She can move at the head, at the shoulder, the elbow, and the wrist, the hip, and the knee. She also comes with a second necklace that is white. She comes with pink ballet shoes. She also comes with a second pair of shoes, white high heels, and a hairbrush. Some of my favorite things about this doll is her pink and purple and blonde hair, her outfit, her wand, her tiara, and that she comes with 2 pairs of shoes and a hairbrush.